This is an NTG 5.0 system. The main interface of the original car is like this. Now let's demonstrate the replacement of Linux screen device. Pry out the dust net of the central horn with the rocker, and remove the two fixing screws fixing the original display screen. Pull the original display screen outward, take out the original display screen, and then remove the power cord and LUVs plug. Open the central armrest box and pry out the trim panel with the rocker. Remove the two fixing screws of the central control panel, and then pry the whole central control panel with a rocker and take it out. Remove all connecting wires behind the central control panel. There are many wires. Please take photos in advance to record the plug-in position. Remove the fixing screws of the original host and take out the host. Thread the power harness and LUVs harness through the center console to the base of the display with threading tools and electrical tape. Pass the two USB sockets through the storage box and put them into the storage box. back to the host. Please check if the original vehicle is equipped with optical fiber cables. Unplug the original power cable from the head unit. Remove the original optical fiber cable. Connect the male connector of the original power cable to the female connector of the new power cable. Then connect the male connector of the new power cable to the female connector of the original car host power supply. Please find the correct position of the optical fiber cable interface on the new power connector. Finally, plug the optical fiber cable to the new harness. Hold the power plug buckle of the host, pull it back, and take out the power plug of the host. Connect the cable female to the back of the original host, insert the plug and press. Connect the power plug of the original host to the male of Linux power harness. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Connect the original display LUVDS cable to the Linux LUVDS cable on the LUVDS harness. The power cord of the original car screen does not require any connection. Carefully remove the two screws from the original display base with tool. Install the two screws of the original vehicle base on the Linux screen base. Put two metal clips on the base. Install the Linux screen base on the original position of the original vehicle base. Connect the plugs of Linux power harness and LUVDS harness to the back of Linux device. Install the Linux device on the base, and lock the screw behind it to fix the Linux device. Connect all the connecting wires of the center control panel, and install it back in place. Install the dust net properly. Ignition on, power on the car, check whether the Linux device can be started normally, and check whether all functions are normal.